The Larson Electronics INDHL HDB BX55 120V15C is a UVC handheld surface sanitizer which can disinfect and kill 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores on surfaces, workstations, tables, desks, as well as devices, machines, and personal equipment. This unit offers UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and comes equipped with a 55-watt high-powered Biax UV fluorescent lamp. The aluminum UV system has 15 feet of 16.3 chemical and abrasion-resistant SOOW cord and a back-located handle for close-up UV light treatment. The lights in this UV system offer 16.5 total watts of UV output, have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours, and they emit a flood beam pattern. With a 2-foot-long lamp, this UV system caters to a wide range of sanitation activities via 180 degrees of coverage. Operators may move the UV light around after exposure time to disinfect several locations. A red indicator light at the back of the unit notifies individuals when the lamp is on. This UV germicidal device comes with an on and off switch located near the handle. Multiple devices can be purchased to cover larger areas more quickly. At less than 5 pounds, this portable and lightweight design allows the device to be held directly over the target surface or object with ease. Suggested applications include retail spaces, lobbies, commercial locations, industrial parks, schools, public transportation hubs, airports, office buildings, medical centers, casinos, labs, hospitals, workstations, hotels, and much more. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have 2 benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection. These units can be used with all room lights on or off. Any lights present in the room are fine. The carts can even be used in sunlight. Frequently asked questions. How long does the fixture need to operate to kill viruses? A 30-minute exposure time is required for killing viruses. What if I want to disinfect a larger area than the square footage that is listed in the specifications of this product? You can move the product and cover other areas. Each time the unit is moved, the exposure time starts again. What if obstacles are in the way of the UV light while it's disinfecting? You will need to move objects around and disinfect again for another 30 minutes. If the cart does not have a direct line of sight, it will not disinfect. This is a non-ozone UV generating product, so it does not penetrate through solid surfaces and will not reflect and clean the underside of objects or behind objects. If you do not have a direct line of sight from the light, you will need to move it around or move the obstacles to create proper exposure. Do I need to wear protective gear? Yes, UV radiation is not safe for your eyes or skin. Is this product skin safe or eye safe? No. UV radiation is not safe for the eyes or skin. Please read the manual for UV safety requirements.